Hi, I'm Jillian Freeland. Before I decided to run to represent Colorado's 5th District in the U.S. House, I was a private practice midwife and had the honor of helping hundreds of families as they grew and welcomed new children into their lives. Through the course of that work, though, I became really frustrated with our system. I spent as much or more time fighting insurance companies as I did talking to my patients. And that's not a system that is serving people. And it made me determined to get to where those decisions are being made, to sit at that table and to make sure that we make decisions that put patients first, that give providers the tools they need to empower people to take charge of their own health. I will vote for any legislation that expands coverage and reduces prices, with the end goal being complete healthcare coverage for our nation. There are many different ideas out there about what a good system does. For me, a good system covers every person, regardless of employment, regardless of pre-existing conditions. We all need healthcare. It is a matter of life and death. We also need access to every necessary service. Even our Medicare programs currently leave out many critical services, and I want them all covered for everyone. That means primary care, but it also means expanding our mental health care treatment systems. It means full reproductive services. It means dental care and audiology and vision. It means disability services and home health care. And it means drug addiction treatment. Additionally, we must bring down the cost of prescription drugs and protect the U.S. Postal Service, who is vital in delivering life-saving medications to many Americans. We have to recreate our system so that we meet the needs of every person, not just people who can afford to pay. And it's especially clear in the midst of this pandemic that we cannot have our health care tied to our employment anymore. It leaves people vulnerable, and a system that truly serves does not leave anyone out. My opponent, Congressman Lamborn, has voted against the protections provided in the Affordable Care Act dozens of times. He is not a healthcare provider and therefore is not driven in the same way that I am to empower patients and to make sure that they have access to every service they need. And so voting for me, Jillian Freeland, sends a healthcare provider to DC to write policies that protect people.